house with a still smile, a steady gaze, compassion all the while. Dancer in your private hell, no flames, just the weight of grief and shadow bearing every banished fate. You stood your ground, became the quiet guard of something whole that never wandered far. Only your heart, strong, red, set in stone, outlived the sin of ignorance, standing alone. At last, free, no guilt, no need for revenge. You hold your mother, forgive the stale offense. You only ask to learn what time erased. 12 dark passages, no letters, no numbers, just spirals. Your first true victory to claim your space, your quiet freedom, the absurdity of exile's trace on your own planet, under your own sky. Maturity will show you how the mysteries align. Justice will come when the strine lane breaks, when the mind stops needing what the old world makes. Between the abyss and the threshold, a road carved in pain, you chose to remember, to breathe through the strain. That red line drawn where your boundaries stand true, no fear left to bind you, no certainty to prove, only coherence. Only coherence. The precepts of your balance, forged in the ache, open the gate that the fractured world would break. You stepped to the edge and chose to recall the limit painted red. Standing tall, your borders are clear, no shadows to fear, not even certainties, only coherence here. White bird flying over minds that lost their way. You didn't fix them, you just showed